Hi everyone, this is Bramesh, and in this video we'll discuss about an important time cycle which is coming for few of the three of the banking stock, Indus India, Kotak and SBI, which can see some good move in the coming week. So it is based on the Pythagoras theorem theory which we have discussed before. So I want to give one example and how we can use this theory in the coming week for few of the stocks which we are tracking. So what is this Pythagoras theorem? The Pythagoras theorem is something which we have learnt in our, in our primary. So basically B, C, this forms a triangle. And so AC is equal to A square plus B square. Now this multiplier is very important. It gives us a very, very important time cycle. And for the people who don't want to do calculations in Excel, you can just look for Pythagoras calculator in Google and you will get this calculator. So what we are doing here is, this is DLF now. So what we are doing is, this is the A part where it has made a bottom at around 132 on, we have to note down the both the price and date. So on 1st October 2019, it made a low of 132 and then it made a top of 266.55 on 1st February uh, 2020. Now what I'm doing is I have this calculator in my sheet. So 266 on 1st February 2020, 132. So first we calculate the range. The range is the difference between these two dates, which is around 123 days. And then we'll calculate the range in price, which is the difference between two. And we put these two values in this calculator. If you don't want to do in Excel, so 123 and 134 will just put these values, you'll get a value of 181.89. This is the multiplier. Now this multiplier I'm multiplying with 4.236. Now what is 4.236? 4.236 is the combination of two Fibonacci numbers, which is 1.618, which is a golden ratio, and 2.618, which is another golden ratio. You will get 4.236 and you will get a date as 9th November 2021. Let's go and check what happened on that day in DLF, 9 November 2021. So if I'm going here, if I come here and I look for 9th November 2021, which was 8th and see here. This was 9th November and on this day it made a top and from the very next day it broke the bottom and it is falling down. So to find the targets, what I do is generally you can use the range. The range is around 11 points, 442 and 433 for that day. So your initial target can be 11 points, and on a more sophisticated level, we use this our calculator. So we touch it on the high, and it automatically goes below 433, which was the low. My first target will be 423, then 412. And if 412 is achieved, you can move your stop loss. So you can easily capture 20 points in matter of three trading sessions. So basically we come to know a very important trend chain dates and based on that we can do it. Similarly, now if I look at the similar examples, so Indus India Bank, Kotak Bank and SBI. These are the three stocks and this is the triangle I have seen, I have made in there. And these are the important dates, 19 November, 18 November, 19th and 18th both were holidays. So basically 21st November, whatever Thursday's high and low is broken, we can take a trade. And for SBI, we are getting 24th November as a date. And I will quickly show you, this is for Indus India Bank. So I have seen, see here, this is where I've drawn the Pythagoras, triangle, and in Kotak Bank I've drawn it in an opposite manner. So you can capture any highs and lows and based on that you can do it. Just calculate the difference between days and range, put it in this calculator, you'll get the multiplier and multiply this by 4.236 like which I've shown in the Excel. And this is for SBIN, a perfect triangle, and then we'll see on 24 November is the date. Now, what are the targets I'm looking at? I'll quickly show you. So first I'll show you for Indus India Bank. Uh, so here, if I touch it here, which is the bottom, 1010 is a very, very important level. So basically, 1018, if someone wants to go long above, the best is to go long above 18. Your target will be 34, 50, 66, and 83 on upside. And similarly for Kotak Bank, what I'm looking at about 2031, I'm looking for 2053, 76, 99, and 2122. And for SBIN, which will come on 24th, so which is far away, but still you can watch out for above. If it is holding this 503, then 5114, 526 is what I'm watching out on upside. Similar levels on downside can be found, but if the highs are broken, then we are expecting the move to be on upside. So this is a very simple technique to find the important time cycle dates. You can practice it as today being Sunday. Spend some time in finding it. Very simple calculations, and based on that we can find important dates. And based on these dates, we can look out for important trend change dates in the stock. So thank you very much, and I wish you guys all the best. Thank you.